In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn account in just 5 minutes. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professionals to connect, network, and explore career opportunities. Whether you're looking to expand your professional network, search for new job opportunities, or simply showcase your skills and accomplishments, having a LinkedIn profile can be incredibly impactful. To start, we need to navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. Open your favorite web browser and type in the LinkedIn URL. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see options to either sign in or create a new account. We're focusing on the latter, so go ahead and look for the sign up option. However, if you already have the page open in a different language or a different country version, check the URL to ensure it aligns with your location preferences. Next, if you want to streamline this process, take a moment to consider signing in with one of the major providers like Google, Microsoft, or Apple. This method is often quick and reduces the amount of information you need to input manually. Just click the appropriate button, follow the prompts, and grant the necessary permissions. If you prefer to sign up with an email and password, start by entering your preferred email address into the provided field. Make sure it's an email that you check regularly because LinkedIn will use it to send you notifications about connection requests, messages, and other important updates. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and fill in a strong password. Make it memorable yet secure, utilizing a mixture of uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Now that you've filled out the email and password sections, it's time to hit the Agree and Join button. LinkedIn might guide you through a simple setup process where you'll need to fill out some basic information about yourself, such as your name and nationality. Take your time with this step, because this is the beginning of how you'll present yourself to others on the platform. If prompted, follow through any identity verification steps to make sure your account is secure and authentic. These can range from confirming your email address to providing a phone number, depending on your region. Once you've successfully completed these steps, you'll be directed to your new LinkedIn profile's homepage. From there, you can start building your profile. Customize it by adding your past job roles, skills, education, and a professional photo. Remember, the more complete your profile, the more you stand out to potential connections and employers. Congratulations! You've now created your LinkedIn account. You are now set to explore a world of professional networking possibilities. Dive in, connect with peers, join industry groups, and keep your profile updated as you advance in your career. Thank you for joining me today, and happy networking!